Triple toss taken first step. Vietnam's Palm Trong Thing taking the lead. Followed by second place Lee Min Han from Vietnam. So it's going to be a 1-2 from Vietnam. Third position is Ian James Quek from Singapore. Up from Vietnam. Formidable lead. Look at the power and the strength in him. Peeling away from his closest rival, compatriot from Vietnam as well. Halfway down, half more way to go. Pham Trong Thing in the lead. Look at the lead that he has. Meet record for this event is 2 minutes 11.81 seconds. Final 10 for our Vietnamese swimmer in lane 4. The battle is on for second and third place. Pham Trong Thing from Vietnam. Holding on to that. Good lead. He's holding. Look at him go.